Pipe cleaner spiders have been one of my most popular projects, especially around Halloween. These beaded spiders are one level up, just a little extra spooky. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need 4 black pipe cleaners, 8 red and 16 yellow e-beads, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Use the fingernail clippers to cut 2 of the pipe cleaners in half. These are going to make the legs of the spider. Gather the pieces together and then hold another pipe cleaner at the very end against the bundle right in the middle. Wrap this pipe cleaner around and around, one coil right on top of the other to make the beginning of the spider's body. Tuck in the end. Take the last black pipe cleaner and wrap it around the first little bundle there to make a thicker spider body. Tuck in the end when you're finished so that it won't come loose. Now spread out the legs, and you can adjust if some are longer than others. Now add 1 yellow bead onto each leg and string it up to the top so it rests against the body. Now take 1 red bead and on each leg thread it halfway up and then bend the end of the pipe cleaner down to make a joint in each leg. Now thread 1 yellow bead on to the end of each leg and bend up just the end of the pipe cleaner right below it to make a little foot. When you're done with the beads, adjust the legs so it looks like your spider is walking. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes with the thick white craft glue. Set the eyes into place, let them dry completely, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.